Alright, we are at the Ross Tower Avenue parking garage. We have a set, I think these are glass elevators. Up. Looks like number 1 is coming. Oh, it's this one. Oh, that one's still original. It doesn't look like it works anymore. Though I might check on that after I film this. These are glass elevators. Go to 6.
Sixth floor.
B.
Basement.
We're underground. Let's go to floor 6. We'll get off there. We're underground now.
Sixth floor.
Let's get off here. There are the other ones, and then this one might be defunct because they never modded it. That's it.